Routing is a very important concept in an agentic architecture, and let me explain this with an example. So here you see a multi-agent architecture for machine learning. So you have a supervisor agent which has got various sub-agents which are related to various machine learning tasks. So for example, you have a data profiling agent, data preparation agent, feature engineering agent, model training and model evaluation. Now all these agents also have tools which is Python functions where the actual work gets done. Now how does the supervisor agent pass the work to all these sub-agents? So this is where the routing concept comes into play. So the routes are basically the dotted lines which are defined between the supervisor agent and the sub-agent. So for example, if I click on the dotted line which is between the supervisor agent and the data profiling agent, you will see that the route key is data profiling. Similarly, if I click the dotted line between the supervisor agent and the data preparation agent, you will see that the key is data prep. Now, if you open the prompt of the supervisor agent, you will see on the instructions on where to pass the work. So for example, here the prompt says that you should pass the work to data profiling agent using the route data profiling. Similarly, you have to pass the work to data preparation agent using the route data prep, so on and so forth. So when the supervisor agent is going to decide the sub agent which it needs to call, it is going to pass the route key, and based on the configurations which you just saw, which was the indication of the dotted line between the agent and sub agent, the appropriate route is going to be selected and the work is then going to be passed to that appropriate agent. Now once the work is done, the supervisor agent is going to pass the key called as done, and in that case the agentic work is going to end and you are going to get your final machine learning results. So this is how the routing works. It is a very important concept and you should all understand it if you have to design very complex multi-agent architectures.